Rob from Addicts has a question about pier and beam.
Well, he's in the Addicts area and he's building, so going up on pier and beam. Yeah.
And canoes and
he has 3 questions. Rob, I love you, buddy. I don't live far from you, so I feel your aquatic concern. Okay, so Rob writes, what is the minimum distance the subfloor should be for ventilation?
Okay, ventilation's not the real issue. It's more termite control than anything else.
Oh.
When you build a pier and beam, any of your girders or beams, whatever your big members are underneath the house, you have to have from the bottom of that to the top of your finished subfloor, not subfloor, but your soil, 32 inches minimum. Okay, and then
that's almost a yard.
It's almost a yard. But anything below that, if you have some wood, you need to be able to crawl around under there. You need to service underneath the home. You need to have the termites only go so high, and then they get frustrated and walk away and go to the next door's house, a house next door. But as far as that goes, if you have to have something closer, it has to be pressure treated lumber.
All right. Question number 2.
Yes. Should
I seal and add insulation under the subfloor?
Well, you should certainly insulate, but ventilate. So that's the most important thing, and that's what keeps it dry. And that's why you don't have much of a heat load under a house. You just want to make sure that it has an R19 fiberglass. It's put up with straps. It'll be fine, but let it breathe a lot.
All right, final question. The bonus round.
Yes.
Okay. Rob wants to know, I want to use closed cell insulation, he writes, in the outside walls of the 2x4 framing for insulation and structural stiffness. What's your opinion?
First off, if you've got an issue with structural stiffness, then you need to wrap the house in plywood. And that's what we do in windstorm areas. So one of the things that always got my goat, so to speak, is people would sell you a product for a different reason than what it was meant to be. They sell you insulation because it's structurally sound. That's not a good thing. Or they'll sell you structure stuff and say, hey, it's a great insulator too. No, a sheathing package is a sheathing package. Your framing package is a framing package. Your insulation is insulation. And would I put foam in a wall? No, I would not. I would use formaldehyde-free fiberglass there too. It's not part of the structure. It's your insulation to save energy and make a barrier between the outside and the inside with the heat and the cold. So like medicine, you don't use it for off-label purposes. Yeah, and if one is good, 10's better. No, it doesn't work that way. Only with tequila. There's a what is it? 1 tequila, 2 tequila, 3 tequila floor? Yeah, something like that. I believe it. All right. You know what you can do? You can get more help by sending us your questions. We're helping. Whatever you're working on, we'll help you out. That's why we're here. So send them to HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer them just like these videos over here. Or just subscribe to our channel. You'll find out when there's new ones.